everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that the audio is audible. I mean, I'm using a mic, but I still hope that it's audible because the mic was not working. And a little part of my camera is quite broken, so that's why if there is a blur, that's because that part of the camera is broken. But anyways, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I know the lighting is weird. That's because I'm literally filming this at the end of the day, like the day is almost about to get over. It's maybe 7:30 p.m. right now. It is a Saturday. It's 1st of June. That means that this day is the first day of the month of June, and that's why I usually have a few routines that I follow every month. For example, buying groceries and also buying other stuff, buying basically groceries. The next thing that I do is make a calendar. Like, I fill my routines and my dates in a calendar, and I haven't been doing that quite frequently this entire year because this entire year has been just going on like I don't know. And I did not do it for the month of May, I did not do it for the month of April, maybe I did it for the month of January, but it's freaking June now. So that's why I thought that maybe I should start and get my life back together on track, and also I should do all those activities and those habits that I had before when I was a student, because that really used to help me be productive. And that's why this video is doing everything that I have procrastinated doing, as well as getting my life together a little bit on track. So there are a lot of things that I have to do, but the first activity that I'm going to be doing is going out and walking a little bit, because I do not move my body at all. So that's why I decided like few days back that I shall walk every day. So I need to get those steps in. So that's why the first activity that I'm going to do is walk for an hour or something, maybe an hour and a half. The next thing that I have to do is buy groceries. So I'm just going to order groceries because the grocery stores around my area is closed because of elections. Not elections, but voting. And the third thing that I'm going to do is make my calendar and fill my calendar well with all the activities that I'm supposed to do this entire month. The fourth thing that I'm supposed to do is clean my cupboard or my closet because it's really dirty. And the fifth thing that I'm supposed to do is refill all the stuff. For example, like hand washes and all the sugar and stuff. So like restock and refill everything. And what are the other activities that I'm supposed to do? I don't know. We'll find out, but that's the first thing that I'm supposed to do is go out and walk. So I'm going to go out for a walk. Yeah. Hi everyone. It's day 2 of doing all the stuff that I should be doing, but I've been procrastinating. So this proves that I'm just incompetent in doing anything properly, if that's the word I was looking for. Anyways, I don't know anything right now. What am I supposed to do? Like, I have all these things in my mind, but I have to write it all down. I did a few stuffs, for example, like changing my bed sheet and also washing all the dirty bed sheets and stuff. That's done. Apart from that, the stuff that I'm supposed to do is mostly admin stuff, that is cleaning up my storage from my laptop and my phone. Also writing the stuffs down that's on my mind, because that used to be a great practice that I used to have when I was a student, but I don't know why I stopped doing that, and now my mind is just cluttered and I don't know what I want. The easiest step to do in order to get out of that mindset is just write it down. So that's what I'm going to do. Number one, the first task that I'm going to do is write everything down that's on my mind. Number two that I'm going to do is clean up my storage. Number three that I'm going to do is clear my closet. Number four that I'm going to do is, along with writing the stuffs down, that is section 1A of what I'm supposed to do, I also have to write stuff down like Bible verses and stuff. The reason being is that when I write all those down, those things are right in front of my face. I always see it, and that's why I live by it. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So, yeah, I'm going to change my habits, I'm going to change everything. And apart from that, I have to go out tomorrow, and I'm going out with my friend tomorrow to a trampoline park, and we're going to have fun there. I also have to do financial management, accounting, and groceries. I have to do that money stuff and also get groceries for myself because I have nothing. And I also have to buy a few skincare products because my skin needs caring and everything is just over. I also have to buy hygiene products like toothpaste and stuff because those things are also over. Almost about to get over. Trust me, I've brushed my teeth. Hello everyone, so I find my order finally arrived and I'm quite excited for the stuff that I got for myself, and there are a lot of stuff and I spent quite a lot on all these products, so I hope that it's worth the hype. So the first product that I want to show you is this aloe vera gel. The reason why I got an aloe vera gel because I use an aloe vera gel on a daily basis, so I guess that's going to help me a lot. Next I got sunscreen because I always apply this exact sunscreen. However, this is quite in a less quantity than I usually buy it. I don't know the quantity of it, but this seems like a smaller bottle than what I usually get. Next I got this. I've used this vitamin C serum from Garnier before. I don't know how this works on other human beings, but for me it works quite well and it really brightened my skin, so I like it. Next I got this lip tint from Earth Resin. This is a lip and cheek tint which I got. I haven't used this ever before, like I haven't used a lip or a cheek tint before, so I hope that this is a good product. The next product that I have is this green green tea hydrogel under eye patches. This is quite dirty and the product is quite dusty, but I hope like the inside is sealed, so it's fine. Then I got two masks. So this is rice mask and this is hyaluronic acid mask. I've used the blue one before and it was really nice, and I really wanted to use this rice sheet mask too. For me and my skin, I believe that sheet masks are the best type of mask that work on my face, and on my skin. Everybody has a different opinion, a different choice, but that's just what works with me. Then I got this from the Face Shop, and that is Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, and also a little cute thingy over here. I got this because I really love the company The Face Shop, and I've used this company's product before and it has worked really well on my skin. My skin does not react negatively to it, so yeah, that's why I thought of getting this. Let's see how that works. We don't know how that works. Then I got this Dot and Key Rice Water Probiotics Hydrating Toner. This time for my skincare, I thought of getting rice water stuff because everybody glorifies rice water a lot. So that's why I thought that maybe I should try out their stuff. Then I got this Plum Niacinamide Serum with rice water because serum is necessary, And then finally the last product is, this is also from the Face Shop, Niacinamide face cream. I really wanted a good face cream because any other face cream does not work on my face. So since I got the cleanser for this, I thought that maybe I should try the face cream, and this was freaking expensive as shit, but let's see. And I really hope that these products are value for money, because if they are not, I wasted a huge amount of money on that. And also I got this because I was out of toothpaste. So yeah. Hi guys. So today is Wednesday, the 5th of June, and if you have stuck through this long in this video, thank you so much. I'm still going to continue it till Saturday, because till Friday, I guess. So today, the stuff that I'm supposed to do is I don't really have a lot to do today, so I'm just going to chill. On Monday, we went to a trampoline park and it was really, really fun. Tuesday, that is yesterday, I had a chill day. I did not do anything. My leg was also really, really sore from the trampoline park, so that's why I kind of like did nothing yesterday. Today also I don't really have anything to do. Tomorrow we have an office party and that's where we are going to go. I did change my bed sheets. I cleaned my wardrobe. I have been walking like 5 to 7,000 steps daily, but I need to increase that amount. I have a few things to do, but right now I'm going to have my breakfast. I also added avocados, but I forgot that how much I hate avocados. I really do not like the taste of avocados. Like, I don't know why. So I don't know why I got an avocado, and I don't know why I added it in this food, but now since I got it, I have to eat it. Otherwise it's going to go bad really fast, because avocados go bad really, really fast. So yeah, that's a sad thing, but still I hope that the entire thing does not taste entirely like avocados, but it tastes like other things too. So let me just show you what I have. So I made a sandwich that is egg, lettuce, some mint leaves and avocados, and I'm going to have chia seed, mint leaves, lemonade. That looks really, really bad, but this is what I'm going to have, and it's not focusing. So that's the breakfast that I'm going to have. It's really nice, contains all the nutrients with protein, fats, carbohydrates, fiber. It's a good meal. So that's what I'm going to have right now. And also, yeah, I'm going to chill today. Maybe today also I'm going to play Valorant all day with my friends, but I guess my friends are busy, so I don't know. Let's see. Sunday, the 8th of July, I believe. Oh, sorry, 8th of June. And I filmed a little segment of my video, which I was going to add in this video, and it was really funny. It almost took my life away from me. Like, I almost died a little bit on that video, like almost filming it. And the funny part and the most sad part is that I forgot to press the record button on my mic, and there's no audio in it. So, like, that's terrible. That's a bad thing. And all that freaking hard work was for nothing. And now I cannot refilm that video because it involved eating, and I already ate some stuffs. So now I don't have those stuffs anymore. So I may upload that video giving a voiceover, but then I also decided that maybe I should end this vlog here, because while editing I saw that this video was just way too long. I did manage to get my life kind of back on track, and it was fun. It was nice. I feel really good and really positive for this month, because I feel that I'm actually living now and not just surviving. I still have to incorporate many other activities in my life in order to make me feel like I live and not just be there like a freaking potato sleeping on a couch. And yeah, my week went really well. I did not have much to do this week, but yeah, that was fun. Like, I did go out with my friend, and that was fun. I filmed this video, and that was fun. I played Valorant and bought a new skin. I mean, I bought the battle pass. So yeah, that was fun. For my next week, I'm going to incorporate more moving, and also more activity doings, and more amount of better food eating. And also I'm going to include learning a new skill next week. So I'm looking forward for that. The skill that I'm going to be learning, I haven't yet decided. I have a lot in my mind, but I haven't decided that. And I'm also going to be consistent in posting videos. I've decided to post every Sunday, so let's see how that goes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for sticking for so long. Like, this video is so long. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Have a good life. Be productive. Make sure to have a good mental health also, and not burn yourself out. Also, make sure to live and be happy, and also work hard. Thank you so much for everything. Bye bye.